In this screencast, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a program called FotoFlexr, one of the resources mentioned here on my Weebly site. If you scroll down, you'll see a link to FotoFlexr. I'll be using that to show you how to edit pictures. As you can see, it's an online photo editing program. You don't need to download any software or anything onto your computer. All the editing is done right on your site. And you can save the pictures right to your computer without even setting up an account. So if we click here on FotoFlexr, it'll open the FotoFlexr page, and we can upload a photo up here in the right hand corner if you already have a photo on your computer, or in my case I could search for pictures on the internet. So I want to use this for a future lesson. I'm going to go in and look for the graph of a quadratic function, and I can see that I have several here to choose from. I'm going to choose this image, and I'm going to right click on it and save the image onto my computer. I'll save it right onto my desktop as quadratic functions graph examples. I'll just go ahead and leave it named exactly how they have it and click save. Now if I go back to the FotoFlexr website and upload my photo, it takes just a minute to load it, and I'm going to choose that photo, do some editing, and then I'll show you how to save it as well. So we'll upload the photo. Here it is, and I want to resize it. So the first thing I'm going to do is click resize, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. I'll zoom in both the width and the height, and it looks like it's already been maximized on here. So this is as large as this one will go, which is fine. And I will apply that, and I also can crop it. So if I'm doing a lesson where we're looking strictly at the vertex, I could crop so that I'm only looking at a particular part of the display. And if I like that, I'll go ahead and crop the selected area. And then we can even add text and other effects. If you look at the tabs up here, there are other things that we can do to it. I'm just going to go ahead and add some text to the picture that I have. Here are different effects that you can do if you're more creative than I am. You can decorate it with stickers, glitter, borders, and things like that. But I'm just going to go ahead and add the text. So I'm going to type in here. I'm going to go ahead and type in vertex, if that's what the lesson is about. And I'm even going to show where the coordinates of the vertex are, which are at 1, 3. And if I like that, I can go ahead and move it to where I want it. Now I want it closer to where my actual vertex is. So I'm going to move it down there, and I'm going to change the font. All this can be done on the right-hand side of your screen. I'll change it to the Times font. Again, I'm not real creative, so I can resize it if I would like to. And to make it stand out a little bit more, I might even want to change the background. I'll make it red so it's very obvious that that's where my vertex is. And I will apply. So now I have the exact picture of what I'm looking for. It's very obvious where my vertex is, and I like everything that I see, so I can go ahead and save it. So up here at the top and the menu, it says save. I want to save that to my computer. The default is a JPEG file, and I'm going to save that right onto my computer, and I will call it edited quadratic. Save now. Shows that it's saving it to my desktop as edited quadratic. And we're done. So now in the next lesson, if you watch the next screencast, I'll show you how we're going to take that, or how we could take that file of the photo that we just edited and insert it into a concept map. So I hope you were able to learn something from this, and next time you need to edit a photo, you won't need to download any software. You can just go right to FotoFlexr.